Ever dreamt of creating your own fashion line? With NFT Studio, that dream is just a stitch away, whether you're a housewife, a student, or a working professional. NFT Studio's online fashion design course is for you. With no age limit and minimal qualifications, our courses are designed to be flexible and accessible. Learn at your own pace with our individual study methods. Plus, we offer a free trial batch to get you started. Dive into the world of fashion with our comprehensive curriculum. From basic drawing and sketch illustrations to advanced stitching and pattern making, we've got you covered. Imagine mastering hand embroidery, tie and dye, and even creating your own unique clothing designs. Our courses are available in Hindi, Gujarati, and English, ensuring that everyone can join and succeed. So why wait? Join a community of passionate learners and expert instructors ready to guide you every step of the way. Empower yourself, unleash your creativity, and transform your passion into a rewarding career with NFT Studio. Remember, at NFT Studio, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Sign up today and start designing your dreams into reality. Visit our website now for more details and to book your free trial batch. NFT Studio, where your fashion journey begins.